there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Christmas Snowball Cookies using healthy food alternatives. This recipe, like Mexican wedding cookies, is sugar-free and definitely a healthier choice for your Christmas parties and events. And I'll be sharing with you my secret sauce for superb flavor. After watching, make sure you go to the comments section and download my free Happy Gut Desserts ebook. These snowball cookies with pecans are full of protein, not carbs, and is one of those easy holiday recipes that's gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, and delicious. Plus, this recipe supports a healthy gut diet plan. So, if you're ready, let's preheat your oven to 350 and line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Then in a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups almond flour, 1 cup finely chopped pecans, 5 tablespoons powdered allulose, and now we're going to mix this together. Then add 1 stick butter or non-dairy spread melted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then my secret sauce, 3 drops of lemon essential oil. So good for alkalizing and cleansing. Then mix this all together. Now we're going to form it into about 1-inch balls and place it on your baking sheet and bake it for 12 to 14 minutes. Then we're going to let it cool for about 10 minutes and then coat them twice with the powdered allulose. Now I stress the powdered allulose because it is less sweet. It's so nice to have a great holiday favorite that's high in protein and low in carbs, and these are the perfect thing. So I hope you give them a try. Thank you for watching. Make sure you go to the description below, ask your questions, comment, download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook there, then like and subscribe. See you in my next video.